Hi and welcome back to Down the Shed with me, Jason. It's been a while. So here we have my other half's C1 with very shitty headlights. So the trick today is we're going to be restore these little puppies. Now they use usual plastic crap and they've been on there for a while, so we're going to try and butt these up today. I've got a kit from Argos, £17. It's branded as Streetwise. I think it's just a generic branded. There's lacquer going on this wing, that's going to get done. The paint on here is going to get done for the bumper, so we're going to have that off. So all in all, Wifey's new little car is just become our little Tasty Classics restoration. We're going to make this little puppy a bit happier. It's just had an £800 clutch. It's had I think an oil seal somewhere on the gearbox or the flywheel, and it's had a wheel bearing done. She's got a new rear view mirror on there, and she adores her new wheel caps that she got on Amazon. They were the last set. Right, I've got a few bits and bobs with me. I've got the drill, I've got the kit obviously, I've got a water supply, or I've got a water squirting bottle. There is a water supply just over there on the other stable block. So I'm not in the shed obviously, I'm at the stable block, discreet location where my Gingy lives. And you've seen Dylan. In fact, we'll put Dylan in this video. We'll give Lily and Dylan a little shout. So let's get started. Right, as with any good job, it's all about preparation. So I've got a non-scratchy, washing uppy, clothy thing, and we're literally just going to give this headlight a bit of a clean. See, it's what you think about it. Because it's wet. That's why they always look way clearer once the lacquer's gone on. Should have brought some tissues. Not tissues. That ain't that badly scratched once you clean it down. But once it dries, it will look different. As it dries, cleans back up. Cup drop off there. And you see cracking and haze in the air. So we'll see what we can do with that. Next job is to mask off. For this part of the game. Get some water, some drill bit. It will include one of these backing pads and a drill adapter which you just screw in like yay. Get that in your drill. Like yay. Then you just tighten it up. You get two 800, two 1200 and two 2000 pads, one for each headlight obviously. Just put our sanding pad on here. We'll give that a bit of a spray. We'll give that a bit of a moist. And it says don't skip any procedures, so I guess this is a case of just let's go for it. Just lightly. Just like that. Headlights don't help either. you started, you're in it to win it, right? Take that out. Right, I reckon that's about as good as I'm going to get this light. Just get it out. Like that. Next, I think we go down a grit. Yeah, this is definitely has it. Nothing better than the one on the driver's side at the moment anyway. There's a bit of work here needed. Like I said before, concentrate mostly on that area where the headlights are going to shine. So I think that's going to be the area where the MOT tester tells the passengers where the light comes out. Like this, we're going to give that one more pass. Oh man, this is night and day. I'm going to bring this camera back a minute. So that's the one we've done 2 stages on. And this is the yellowed. Don't know if it shows as well on the camera, but this one, natural, this one, 2 stages. Right, now we move on to stage 3. Which is the 2000 grip. This is like the final polish before you go in with buffing compound or polishing compound. Concentrate on the side light here. Right, so a quick square off. Wow. Just wow. I'm going to bring the camera back again. That's the first pass. I'm going to do another pass. But look guys. And remember, that's not even had the lacquer coating yet. Now I'm not going to use the one that's supplied with the kit. I'm going to use Maguire's UV resistant actual headlight coating spray. It's basically lacquer in a more expensive tin. Actually it's the same price as Helper's lacquer, it's just in a much smaller tin. So let's give this another look. I think that's looking pretty good. Right, we'll go back to our heads, but as you can see it's still miles better than the left hand side. I am well pleased. I was really, it's not enough, it does look. Headlight, to be fair. Before we do the next one, whoa, bucking pad and the polishing paste. So we thought it was good. Let's see how it looks in a minute. Right. Smear this around a bit, get it in the areas we want it most. Again, I'm going to favour the areas of the side, turn and main headlight. Put some in there. Let's wipe this off and see what we got. Kitchen towel. Oh, look at that. My word. Now I'm flabbergasted. Let's get that camera back. Guys, you nearly forgot the polishing paste. Look at that. Before UV, after polishing. Amazing. Should we have one more polish? Alright, let's do that last rinse off. Wow. Look at that. I am blown away. It's probably one of the best down the shed videos I've done. So, let me know in the comments, people, guys, gals, you internet watchers. Do you want to see more videos? Look at how clear that looks underwater. That'll be brilliant when the UV goes on. Do you want to see more videos like this? On the little C1, Mrs. Shed's car. Likewise, headlight coating protection. So, let's start from the top. Wow. I can actually see the bulb in that side. Okay, so it's out in the sun now. I mean, look at the difference. That's finished, that's done. I'm happy. I want to wash the car, but I can't. I need to let that have its time now. We got most of the hazing crazing out, rather. There's still a bit in there I can't do nothing about. But on the whole, I think that's pretty much 1,000,000,000%. Improve. Pass. There we go. Right, we'll have to call it done on the polishing. Let's get this puppy cleaned up, masked up. I mean, look how good that looks. Headlights nice and clean, nice and smooth. Let's get it done. Let's see the transformation. And job done. And I think that is successful headlight restoration on Erin Dawes' little car. And now they both look pucker. So I'm going to give this one a chance to dry. Give it half hour in the sun, should be plenty. Then I'm just going to go over there onto the hose pipe, give the car a quick rub over. I've got my little wash mat. Nothing serious, just give it a rinse, make it look clean and tidy, and an improvement. So they are lens covered on there. I can see here they're basically covered over the actual lights, but save ripping them off or replacing them, we've literally just done the headlight restoration instead. So I'm pretty happy with that. I think that's a result. So leave a comment below what you think of the job I've done. This is just one kit, Streetwise. I think it's a generic kit that's just branded with whatever you want. 800, 1200, 2000 grit paper, polish paste, the drill attachment. You do get a couple of UV wipes, but I've gone with the Magwar's spray because I can do multiple cars with that spray. I need to go on eBay or Amazon and buy some more disc pads for the attachment, possibly a decent amount of buffing compound, and then headlight a go-go. I can do the other two. Well, the other two cars don't need doing. Mine wants the dusting over. The Kia's fine. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like the video, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one.